I have probably mentioned more than one time that for me, art is all about the layers. And what that means is that sometimes I work on a piece for years. Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today. One of the problems with working on art for years, besides having the space for 20 large pieces in process at all times, is that I didn't start filming for YouTube until a year ago. So I can't show you the entire process, but I can show you some photos of each completed step in the process. Here is the encaustic piece covered that I started in 2013. Yes, I started this 5 years ago, but don't worry, I put it aside for 4 years in the middle of that. As you can see, I layered and layered and layered, and some of the layers are pretty ugly. I started with writing, moved on to wax, moved on to incising and collage and stenciling, and in the end, I really do like this piece. Just love the layers and layers and layers. But I've said it before, I'm all about the layers. I love that soft sheen of the wax when it's buffed. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe.